In this video, we will be going to tell about Henton's potato salad gallon, nutrition value, serving quantity and benefits, so let's start now. Here is what you need to know before getting Henton's potato salad gallon. POV, you regret not reading this guide in the middle of shopping as you have no idea about the quantity you need for 100 people. Henton's potato salad is the dish much loved for picnic parties, afternoon cravings, or lunch deals, closest to everyone's heart. Looking at the rifest likeness, Henton's Foods offer different potato salad quantities such as Henton's potato salad 7-11 gallon, or jug, enough to serve a crowd. But why Henton potato salad is in vogue? Since Henton's potato salad gallon is the healthfulest fusion of taste and nutrition tucked with a balanced ratio of carbs and protein, without having to sacrifice any goodness, it's first-line choice of everyone. Here is all you need to know about Henton's Foods before coming in for your favorite potato salad gallon. Henton's Foods, are they worth buying? A food company that emerged 100 years back but became the apple of everyone's eye since then till now, Henton Foods are best known for its delicious yet nutrition-rich food. Along with appetizing Henton's potato salad 7-11, the company also offers terrific recipes and ready-to-eat crowd-cooked dishes: macaroni, corn puddings, coleslaw, and cheese. Bacon stuffed and preserved, and green beans baked with ham hocks of brown sugar are also some worth trying dishes by Henton's Food. The company has recently introduced their round meal, stuffed with macaroni and beef. So, are Henton's potato salad gallon worth buying? Yes. Thanks to the deliciousness of taste, wholesomeness of nutrition, use of fresh ingredients, only crowd servings, 100 years of positive reputation, this all makes Henton's Foods worth eating and a must-buy when you have to serve a crowd on a budget. Henton's potato salad. Henton's potato salad offers various assortments of potato salads to serve as a side dish to the party of guests. The main ingredient of Henton's potato salad gallon is the potato, obviously, while salad can be the amalgamation of vegetables and fruits, served sautéed, broiled, or stuffed with cheese. No food party in America is complete without having complimentary potato salad. Henton's potato salad jug or gallons are also offered as the main dish based on the crowd's choice, likeness, and availability. Mulling it over, Henton's Foods offers delicious varieties of Henton's potato salad gallon stewed with vegetables, spices, greens, and grains like pasta, noodles, and corn cobs. Corn and red potato spinach salad tendered with medium ears of corn, red potatoes, and greens, all sautéed in delicious olive oil with hints of sea salt. Farro, sweet potato, and collard green salad packed with collard greens, garnet sweet potatoes, merged with mouth-watering spices, maple syrup, and date paste.